Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best cashback Forex rebate brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex cashbacks can simply be defined as rebates that are provided back to traders for every trade that they have executed. When cashback providers refer traders to brokers who offer such promotions, they share the rebates earned from every trade which is made by the trader registered with a particular broker. Although there are not a lot of brokers that offer such promotions, there are few which offer generous promotions and rewards of such a kind, with more brokers offering it slowly, as it becomes a standard tool that traders use to reduce their costs. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best cashback rebate Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best cashback Forex rebate brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is a reputable broker which is based in Australia and has a client base consisting of more than 80,000 registered traders. These traders are provided with superior online trading services and solutions that cater to their trading needs and objectives, despite their trading skills, knowledge, experience, or trading styles. Go Markets specializes in trading through more than 600 tradable CFDs and a variety of Forex pairs, shares, indices, precious metals and commodities. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. The Go Web Trader, which is designed to be beginner-friendly and is available as a web browser interface. You will also be able to use premium tools such as MetaTrader Genisis, AutoChartist, and Trading Central. Go Markets offers 2 types of live trading accounts, and clients also have the option to use a risk-free demo account that they can use to practice on or to test new strategies. Both accounts require an initial minimum deposit of $200 Australian and allow traders to be leveraged by up to 500 times the initial deposit amount. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms before, or if you are new to Forex trading, Go Markets offers several helpful MetaTrader tutorials and a comprehensive introductory guide to Forex trading to help you get started. You can also visit their FAQ section to see answers to some of the most commonly asked questions if you are searching for any additional educational material with Go Markets. At number 4 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. Coming in at number 3, we have FX Primus. FX Primus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. Used by over 10,000 traders, FX Primus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including over 43 currency pairs, and specializes in forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FX Primus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FX Primus. At number 2 on our list is FXOpen. FXOpen is a well-regulated, reputable STP and ECN broker, which was one of the first online trading brokers established. FXOpen has a rich history of offering some of the most comprehensive trading conditions to its traders, specializing in trading through more than 600 tradable currency pairs, indices, commodities, shares, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. You will also be able to use the TickTrader trading platform, which includes a highly customizable, user-friendly interface that allows you to personalize your workspace, and it comes with a variety of built-in technical analysis tools and indicators. Their accounts are available on micro, crypto, STP, and ECN accounts, with $1 minimum deposits on the micro account, up to 1 to 500 leverage, floating spreads on the ECN account, as well as copy trading with PAM accounts. Demo and Islamic accounts are also available. FXOpen provides beginner's guides on the basics of trading, how to choose a broker and how to start trading. And if you have any other questions regarding trading, you can visit the Help Center and their Forex Forum to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. You will also find updated market news and detailed market analysis on the website, and you can visit the FXOpen blog for weekly forecasts and market insights if you would like to search for any additional educational material with FXOpen. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best cashback Forex rebate brokers, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xinity Limited, is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECM, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And those are some of the top 5 best cashback Forex rebate brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.